Hello everyone, welcome to STEM with Chantel.
I'm Chantel and this is Ty.
We're going to be learning how to make this vinyl and an engraved tumbler. So I wanted to give you guys a look at the file first. So what I have pulled up right now is just kind of a render of what it's going to look like. I'm not actually going to use this page of the file, but it does give me a very good look at what it's going to look like once we actually engrave it. So the actual file itself looks a little bit more like this. So if you notice on the render, we have these silver zones. This is where I'm going to engrave to highlight that stainless steel. And you can see on this actual file that those spots are black for the engraving. You also notice that the Kentucky is black, and that's so we can set the vinyl in place. Which leads me to the third page of my file, which is the vinyl itself. So I ran 2 copies of this, but I'll show you exactly what that is composed of. So I'll just copy that over here, and we'll take a look at the file. So you can see it's outlined right here for the Kentucky. Let me pull this away real fast. And we do have videos on our YouTube channel that go over exactly how to make these vinyl outlines, but I'll give you just a quick overview of what I did. So we have this vector outline. I set the outline to hairline, and then we set the color to the Roland palette. Again, that's the Roland VersaWorks palette, and then a cut contour color. And then it's just a matter of dragging that onto the pattern, and just like so. After printing, it is now going to cut out the vinyl. So now I have the file on the laser cutter computer. So I just want to give you a look at the settings that I have applied. So again, we're running a raster job for the engraving. I went ahead and rotated the drawing, which you can see right here. So we're looking at a width of 3 horizontal, a height of 12.063, which it rounded off on here. I did go ahead and select the center engraving with a page center. And then for our raster settings, we're looking at a speed of 30 and a power of 100. And again, that preview looks good, so we'll go ahead and send that job over to the laser cutter. So we're just about ready to run this job. As you can see, I've homed the laser. You can see that red dot right there to the very center of the tumbler. So at this point, we're ready to get started. All right, so the tumbler has finished engraving now. And as you can see, it's looking kind of gross. So I'm going to use magic eraser plus some alcohol, and we're gonna get this thing shined up. Our tumbler is looking much better now. As you can see, it's really shining. So that leads us to our final step, which is to apply the vinyl. Now, usually I'm a big fan of transfer tape. However, this time around, since we're trying to get such accuracy, I mean, this is a small graphic. I'm actually not going to use transfer tape. But again, though, usually I do like to use it. So I'm just going to peel this graphic back and just be very careful with it. And then I'm going to stick it on. And our tumbler is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more STEM with Chantel videos, check out this playlist. If you want to know when JCPL puts out more content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell.